Hello children, today we are going to read a new story, Grandfather Frog and Jerry Turtle. Come with me to the story. One day, Grandfather Frog was resting near the banks of Smiling Pool on a lily pad. He was a big green frog. He had just had breakfast and was sleeping. On the other side of the Smiling Pool was Billy, a monkey. Billy was a naughty monkey. He liked to play tricks on others. He saw Grandfather Frog sleeping. He decided to scare him. So, off he went to Laughing Brook. He saw Longlegs, the white crane. He went up to Longlegs and said something in her ears. Both of them nodded. Soon, Longlegs flew up, and Billy was on his way to Smiling Pool. All his time, Jerry Turtle was watching Billy. Jerry knew that Billy was up to some mischief. So, Jerry Turtle went to Grandfather Frog. He jumped into Smiling Pool with a loud splash. Grandfather Frog woke up. "What are you doing, Grandfather Frog?" asked Jerry. "Thinking," said Grandfather Frog. "Anyone can see you if you sleep like this," said Jerry. Grandfather Frog said, "Yes, I should be more careful." Then Jerry Turtle warned, "I saw Billy. He is going to play a trick on you. You better be careful." "Thank you," said Grandfather Frog. "I will be nearby. If there is trouble, I will jump near your lily pad," said Jerry, and he went back. Soon, Grandfather Frog closed his eyes and began to sleep again. A few minutes later, Longlegs came to Smiling Pool. She saw that Grandfather Frog was asleep, or that is what she thought. She flew close to Grandfather Frog. Grandfather saw her coming near him and yawned. He moved his head from one side to another. Longlegs stopped and waited for Grandfather Frog to fall asleep again. At last, when Longlegs thought Grandfather Frog was sleeping, she jumped at him. She tried to grab him in her beak, but Grandfather Frog jumped with a splash into the water and swam away from Longlegs.
Please subscribe for more videos.